someone from the Plan International. We all know him, no? Let us all welcome ang tito ng bayan, Dr. Mel Nora. Palakpakan naman natin lahat.
So good morning everyone. Before I start, pampaalis lang ka ba? I learned a lot from my adolescent kids kasi nga 20 years na ako na nakikibaka for adolescent. 16 years old yung aking panganay, 13 yung pangalawa, and 12, and yet the problema stays the same. Teenage pregnancy and HIV. And for months, I'm regularly communicating with them. And I learned words that perhaps magagamit nyo rin. Alam nyo ba yung word na skibidi? Skibidi, ibig sabihin, wala lang. It's a Russian word, skibidi. Dahil nakinig nyo yung skibidi, sinabi nyo, it means kayo ay malakas ng karisma o maganda. Skibidi-ris, maganda kayo, or gorgeous. Pag sinabi namang bussin, ito naman yung tinatawag, you are extremely great. Bussin. B-U-S-S-I-N. Pag nakinig yung word natin sa mga adolescent, it refers to gossip. What's the tea for today? Did you spill the tea? Gossip, yan. I'm going to discuss about paving the way for asset capacity building, roadmap to regions. Kasi sa Bible, di ba? Sabi ni Juan Bautista, ihahanda ko lamang yung daan papunta sa asset road. At si Doc Ron po yun. Okay? At wala pong himala. Ang himala po ay nasa mga kabataan. So, how do we accelerate asset? Reverse ulit tayo. So, key figure dito pag sinabi nating asset, Dr. Emma Llanto and the team. I-reverse natin yung gear. This project was funded by USAID Richard, working with SAMPI in advising AJA 2.0, accelerate to the future. All CHD must have an action plan. We need to have a concrete action plan. Where we are we going? Ano ba yung objective natin at the end? Capacity building, ito yung lagi natin tatanda. Maintaining the momentum is the key challenge. We need to maintain the momentum. Sabi nga, adolescent cannot wait. So where do we go from here? In your hands. Okay. We commit the asset spirit as a team. And lastly, asset is for adolescent. Because adolescents are assets of the future. With that, magandang araw po sa inyo. Thank you.